Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
No, it's not Friday yet, but you know what? We're almost there. We got maybe a couple hours and you're in Friday, right? That's nice. Let me start off tonight with this picture from Julie Jolly over Lovell, Wyoming. They had some showers move through, and then the sun came out behind it, and just enough to bring a little bit of a rainbow out there tonight. Yeah, nice looking shot, Julie. Thanks for sending that in. I like this one from Greg Wise. This was taken a few nights ago when we had, I believe it was a quarter moon, but it was so, had to mess with the light, so it actually looks like a full moon, but it was a quarter moon, and then we had the planet Venus right there, huh? That was kind of a cool looking shot, Greg. Thanks for sending that in. Here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. We're at 58 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Winds out of the west at 22 miles per hour. Now our high temp today actually topped out at 77. Your normal high 63, the record 86. Back in 1939, the record low was 17 above. Back in 1950, and when it comes to precipitation, we had some rain earlier this morning, but it was just a trace. It was nothing really measurable. So here's where we are for the month and for the year. Obviously, we're behind normal in both of those categories, but we still have several days coming up this next week where we could at least have a chance of getting some more rain showers. And I think we could even get some more rain moving in later tonight. In the meantime, our current temps are into the 40s out in the west, 50s and even some 60s across the High Line. A lot of 50s and 60s still in eastern Montana, but check out our reported highs for the day. Look at all these. We are in the 60s in the far west. In the central part of the state, mostly into the 70s across the High Line. And over here towards the northeast, we had a lot of 80s. Even Williston, North Dakota, right there, 84 degrees today. It was a beauty. Northern Wyoming into the 70s there today. And now here's the story tonight. Remember, we had this marginal risk of severe thunderstorms all the way through southwestern Montana and including Billings. Well, now that's been pushed a little bit farther south down into western Wyoming. And non-severe thunderstorms are expected for the rest of tonight. Things are starting to die down in that category. You'll notice Doppler radar shows you just some scattered rain showers, snow up in some of the high elevations. Your bigger storms are still kind of firing up over here by Miles City to Jordan, but they're not severe at this point in time. They just got a couple of claps of thunder in them, and that's about it. What's happening is the big ridge of high pressure is starting to slide away, and what's happening is the moisture is going around the edge of that high pressure, and so the jet stream is taking that moisture and just pushing it in towards Wyoming and in towards the southeastern corner of Montana tonight. At the surface, it was a warm front today that moved through. That's why we warmed up fairly nicely, but now there's a cold front coming in behind that, and that'll kind of stabilize the air tomorrow morning, push most of the rain out of the way, so we're going to be a little bit cooler tomorrow, but we're going to see some sunny skies on Friday. Then on Saturday, probably going to see some more sunny skies across eastern Montana. By Saturday night, maybe some moisture starting to move in from the west. It'll be your next cold front moving in. We could see some scattered rain showers moving in on Sunday and again on Monday. So how much rain are we talking about? Well, it looks like most of the heavier rain now has shifted, not into the Billings area, but more up towards this north central part of the state. You see about half an inch there at the Glasgow, Jordan about half an inch. Here in Billings, maybe 5/100ths of an inch, quarter inch over at Livingston, and Miles City, maybe 15/100ths of an inch. So we could see some spotty rain showers moving in later tonight, but I think it's going to be like 11 o'clock or so. In the meantime, tonight we'll see temps cool back down to the 40s and 50s, maybe 36 at Red Lodge, and still a chance for some rain showers. Then tomorrow back into the 60s, 67 at Billings, Hardin 67, 64 at Livingston, maybe 62 over at the Sydney, Miles City about 66. Same thing in Broadus, but mostly sunny skies should rule. Now tonight in Billings, about a 70% chance for some rain showers. We'll cool back down to 49 degrees. And then for tomorrow back up to 67, 20% chance for some evening thunder showers. As we see then on Saturday, you'll see mostly sunny skies. Sunday is 60% chance for thunder showers, 72. Then as we head into the next week, where that cold front comes in, cools us down into the 50s and 60s with some spotty showers here or there. But look at Tuesday and Wednesday, mostly sunny skies both days. Let's go back to Russ.